Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery on your Chevy key fob here. First thing you need to do is use your trigger to pull your key out like that. Then where it usually sits, you're going to pull on that. That'll pop off your back plate here and give you access to your battery here. You're going to then take out the battery. And to show you which one you need, that's your reference right there. You don't need the actual brand. So when you get your new battery, all you have to do is put it back in, positive side facing up. Put your back plate back on till it clicks. And you're good to go. Give it a test, make sure everything works. That's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. And as always, please like and subscribe.